Okay. What's your name?
Marion.
Marion? This is my granddaughter, Marion, but we call her Lizzie for some reason. We call her Liz. I think it started out with Lizard. But anyway, tell us about your beekeeping.
I went to the Grandpa Nan's with Papa.
Yeah? Is that where we got bees?
Yeah.
How about queens? You ever seen any queens? What's your favorite thing to do with queens?
Feed them.
You like to feed them?
And hold them too.
Oh, an incubator?
Yeah.
How about snakes? We ever get any snakes?
Yeah.
No.
I found 2 snakes.
2 snakes?
Yeah.
What do you do with them?
Hold them really quick.
Your grandma likes snakes?
No.
Do you like to chase your grandma with snakes?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite thing to do, is catch them and give them to grandma?
Yeah.
How about your own beehives? When are you going to start your own beehives?
I will grow up.
So you're going to grow up this summer?
Yeah.
How about stung? You ever been stung?
Yeah.
What happened there?
So I got a picture collected. There were so many bees at the backyard, but there only was bees on the where you got the bees at. But I found a praxis and I got the bee. I got it the praxis and he pokes and he dunged me.
Stung you right in your hand?
Yeah.
Did you get mad?
No, I cried.
You cried?
Yeah.
That's
No.
a breakfast before I did a fucking load of dishes. That's stupid.
You didn't like it?
Uh-uh.
That made you want to quit beekeeping
Yeah.
for a minute?
Yeah.
You got your own bee suit though, right?
Yeah.
You always wear it?
Yeah.
Oh, you do not. I got videos of you sticking your head right in the beehives.
Right in the beehive?
So how many hives do you want? What's your goals as a beekeeper? Look at the camera. What's your goals?
I like to
How many beehives do you want?
5.
You want 5?
Yeah, 5.
That's how old you are, isn't it? You're 5.
Yeah.
Okay then. How long you been beekeeping?
1 day.
1 day?
Yeah. 1 day.
Oh, that's it? Just 1 day?
I think I'll put in cookie.
I think you've been beekeeping longer than 1 day.
Yeah.
You remember the first time you seen a bee?
Yeah.
What happened?
You talking about how I got dunked?
I don't know. Probably got stung by a yellow jacket. Them are the mean ones.
Yeah.
We hate yellow jackets, don't we?
Yeah. Can bees not yellow jacket can dunk?
Yeah, they stung. They hurt. Right. It's a lot worse than a honeybee.
Yeah.
So.
That way I got that how I found that and I strapped it and the dingle poked the hole and it went on it dunged me.
Is that it?
Yeah, but I killed it.
Oh, you killed it?
Yeah, I drove it in college.
Well, that's good. Smushed his little brain.
Yeah.
Gave him the hide tool test.
Yeah.
So how many hives do you want to start this summer? Just 5?
What?
You want to paint them?
Yeah.
How about queens? Are we going to do some queens?
Yeah.
How many queens do you want to rear this year?
6.
You want 6?
Yeah.
Okay. You have 1 for each hive, and then you have a backup queen?
Yeah.
Maybe put that one in a nuke?
Yeah.
You like going to the bee yard with Papa?
Yeah.
You have fun?
Yeah.
My little buddy.
Yeah. Be funny.
Huh. How about honey? You like honey?
Yeah.
You like extraction day?
Yeah.
What's your favorite day about extracting honey?
I can drag the onion bees and I can pull this out and not stung me.
You ever taste the honey when we're extracting it?
Yeah.
A lot or a little?
A lot.
You eat a lot of honey when we're extracting it?
Yeah.
Huh. So what do you got to say about YouTube out there?
Like,
What do you have to say to YouTube out there? I'm going to put this on YouTube now. Talk to them.
deer hunting.
Huh?
Deer hunting.
What?
Deer hunting.
Oh, you want to go deer hunt now? No, it's about beekeeping, not deers.
Bees.
Huh?
Bees.
Go bee hunting.
Everybody's looking up your nose. So what do you have to say about YouTube? About subscribers and all that. Huh? You've been practicing all day. How come you're all choked up and shy?
Bees.
Huh?
Bees.
Bees? I know the feeling. Lots of bees. Yeah.
Like my grandma, like my papa, like my mentor, like my child, like Daisy, like Gunner. Remember that, love? Lizzie, don't lick that dirty ass phone.
I'm not.
You gonna eat YouTube? Alright, well, we're gonna sign off. What do you got to say?
Oh, bye.
Then what? Like, subscribe, all that?
Yeah.
Alright, so how you say it?
Hit the gray button upside down.
Hit the gray button upside down?
Yeah.
She said hit the like button earlier.
Alrighty. Signing off.
Bye bye.